Hi, and welcome to Clappia. In this video, we'll see how to use Clappia MCP to build an attendance tracker app. There is already an attendance tracker app tutorial on our channel which shows you how to set it up quickly in Clappia. But this video will show you how to do it via MCP, which can help you to build it even faster. Clappia MCP connects your workplace to AI tools like Claude, ChatGPT, and so on. With this connection, you don't need to set up every block step by step. You can just give a simple prompt and the AI will create the app for you inside Clappia. This way, you can save even more time in app building while still being able to refine and customize it afterwards. I've already made a separate tutorial on how to set up MCP, so if you haven't done that yet, you can check it out. The link is in the description box. That video will help you connect Claude or any other LLM to your Clappia workplace. For this demo, I'll be using Claude, but you can use whichever LLM works best for you. Now let's see how to build the app. I'll open Claude Desktop. Here I'll give in a prompt like create an attendance tracker app for this email ID and some additional requirement. Do ensure you mention the email ID that is tied to the Clappia workplace so that the AI creates the app over there, else it will not. I'll hit enter and Claude will create a complete attendance tracker app in my workplace. I have been a bit specific with my prompt, but you can give in a simple prompt as well if you're unsure where to start, like so. But if you want to include specific logic, for example, no duplicate attendance for the same employee on the same date, you can just add that to your prompt. The more details you give, the more tailored your app will be. The point is, you don't need to do much manual setup. Just describe what you want and the AI will handle the rest. It does take a few minutes to set up, and at the end, Claude shows you what it's added. While the app is being created, you might get a prompt asking you to allow it to continue further. Click on Allow. As you can see, it is now asking me to allow it to continue, so I'll click on Allow. And as I mentioned, Claude will show you what it's added to the app. So let's see what the app looks like. I'll go to my Clappia workplace, I'll refresh it, and you can see the attendance tracker app has been created in my workplace. I'll open the app, and you can see it has added all the relevant fields. Let's take a quick look at the design app where you normally create the app structure. Here you can see all the sections and the fields that were created. If I click on a field, you'll notice the right panel is already set up, and for this validation field, it has provided the validation condition that I asked for in my prompt. So that means it can set up logic and conditions that we asked for. At this stage, you can always make changes manually to fit your business needs, or you can ask AI directly to edit the app for you. For example, I do not want this validation block to be kept in a separate section. So I will ask AI to move this block to another section and remove the validation section entirely. So I'll go back to Claude Desktop and give in the prompt. Now, if you're mentioning specific fields in the app, it is always advisable to mention the variable name, which is available for every field. So I'll just copy this and paste it like so. Okay, so this is my prompt. I'm asking it to move the validation block to the attendance information section in the app and to remove the validation section. Just a side note, if you are dealing with multiple applications, it is advised to give in the app ID over here in your prompt. And you can get the app ID from the right panel over here. Alright, so now I'll just hit enter and let's see what happens. And now it seems that it has moved the validation block to the attendance information section, but it has not removed the validation section. However, it is empty. So let me just verify that. I'll refresh this. And yes, the validation block has been moved in the attendance information section, and the validation section is empty. So this I can just do that manually. And that's it for the app creation. Now I'll go back to App Home and make a quick submission just to test this out. It has also included a GPS location block, which captures my exact location, and it has also changed the submit button to say mark attendance. Okay, so I'll make a submission. You can view all the submissions under the submissions tab, which it has renamed it to attendance. I've marked the attendance type as login, so let's check out the validation condition, which is that I cannot log in twice in a day. The validation works, and since it has set up an error validation, I will not be able to submit. However, if I do changes to log out, the validation disappears. You will get the same app as a Clappia mobile app as well, and it will work in the offline mode. If you haven't downloaded the Clappia mobile app, you can do so either on Play Store or App Store, and the moment you sign in, all your apps will be there, live and ready to use. And that's it. We've built and tested an attendance tracker app using MCP. You can take this further by asking the AI to add workflows. Like maybe you need to send out emails automatically or create charts which it actually has done. And it has also set it up on the right panel. Since I've made only one submission, that's what it shows. And you can do much more by giving detailed prompts. It's a great example of how you can combine Clappia's flexibility with AI to go from an idea to a working app in just a few minutes. If you have any questions while trying this out or need help with other features in Clappia, you can raise a support request by clicking on the button over here at the top. Select this option. Our AI support is trained on all of Clappia's material to give you a tailored solution, or you can reach out to our Clappia support and solutions team and we'll get in touch. Thank you.